Imagine working in a fast-paced industry where every day feels demanding. For nearly a decade, she worked in the aviation sector in Delhi. Long shifts, constant pressure, and a routine that left very little space to breathe. Over time, the job that once felt exciting started feeling mechanical. In 2017, she decided to make a small change. She started running.
मेरा नाम सूफिया है और मैं एक अल्ट्रा रनर हूँ.
Not for competitions, not for records, just for fitness. At first, it was just a short run in a local park, but slowly, those small runs started turning into something bigger. Distance grew longer, challenges became tougher, and running soon became more than just a habit. Meet Sufia Sufi. Originally from Ajmer, Rajasthan, Sufia went from running for fitness to becoming one of India's most accomplished ultra-distance runners. In 2019, she took on a challenge that would define her journey: running the entire length of India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, nearly 4,000 kilometers across the country. She completed this run in 87 days, becoming the fastest female to finish the Trans-India Road Running Challenge. 2 years later, she pushed herself even further. In 2021, she ran the Golden Quadrilateral route, covering nearly 6,002 kilometers in 110 days. But one of her toughest challenges came in mountains. The route from Manali to Leh, a brutal high-altitude run through extreme weather and thin oxygen. Sufia completed around 480 kilometers run in 98 hours and 27 minutes, setting a Guinness World Record. She has also taken on extreme endurance runs across different terrains, including running the entire length of Qatar. Today, Sufia Sufi holds 5 Guinness World Records and continues to take on extreme endurance challenges around the world.
जैसे ही कारगिल वॉर मेमोरियल पहुंची, इतने सारे लोगों की भीड़ और वो तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट और वो ज़मीन जहाँ पे हमारे और वो आसपास की पहाड़ियाँ जहाँ पे हमारे आर्मी के नौजवान लड़ते लड़ते शहीद हुए अपनी कंट्री को बचाने के लिए. बस वही चीज़, एक वहाँ की जो वाइब्स थी, जैसे वो जर्नी मैंने फिनिश की और अपने घुटनों को टेका वहाँ पे, मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाई और मेरे आंसू छलक पड़े. जैसे एक बच्चा रोता है, मैं इस तरीके से रो रही थी, क्योंकि बहुत अलग तरीके की वाइब्स आ रही थी वहाँ पे मुझे. बस रोने का मन कर रहा था और ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ ना बोले, चुप रहें. वो फीलिंग्स ऐसी थी कि मैं शायद कभी उनको एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाऊँगी, सिर्फ फील ही कर सकती हूँ.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming an athlete whose journey proves how a simple decision can change the course of a life. Miss Sufia Sufi.